90th birthday, and I'm going to go out and enjoy something special that is a good reminder of him. So here we go. Hey, after 3 months of being expired, my plates are good now, so I can drive with confidence. So I've paused the video here to show something very important to the story. There are 3 cars, only 3 cars, parked on the street. Now my camera is about to fly off. And it has plenty of places to land out in the open, but guess where it lands? Underneath one of the cars. The red Ford. Wow. That's my camera. Shit. As my camera lays safely underneath the red Ford, pointing at the catalytic converter, I am circling the block, just hoping that it doesn't get ran over. So I thought of landing out in the street. Thankfully, it's underneath this car. So at this point, I still don't know that the camera has rolled underneath one of those 3 cars parked on the street, and I am walking up and down the sidewalk because I was pretty certain I saw where it fell off, and I figured it would be laying in the street, smashed by a passing vehicle before I could get to it, or it would be laying there on the sidewalk or in the grass somewhere. So I'm walking back and forth, trying not to look suspicious to anybody that might be watching me. And I passed the cars 2 or 3 times and realized I just couldn't find it. And I thought, okay, I'm going to have to look under these cars. And sure enough, under the red Ford, under the middle, but thankfully I was able to grab it, and nobody came outside hollering at me asking me what I was doing. So I grabbed it and stood there a minute so they could see what I was doing, and then walked back to the car. Sitting on the bench that it was dedicated to Grandpa. Today would have been his 90th birthday, and I just thought it'd be kind of cool to come out here and sit on it. It's, you know, it's only 19 degrees out. It's very cold.